guys, it's Mr. Rosa. I just wanted to show you guys some little tips and tricks in case you happen to miss class the next couple classes or so. We are mostly looking at our Google Suite because it's kind of like the biggest thing that you guys are going to be using. And honestly, there's a lot of really good life skills attached to the Google Suite, which is great. So the first thing you're going to do is you're obviously going to click into Google. Most of you guys are using Chromebooks. I think it's a little bit easier on your laptop, but if you're using the phone, that's okay. So you're going to click over here with the 9 dots. So this is your Google Suite. Okay, attached is your email, your calendar, your Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Classroom. Those are the big ones that we use kind of as a school. Okay, so obviously your Gmail is for your email. Your Google Drive is kind of like your big storage files. You can actually keep sheets, slides, and documents all in your drive. We're going to talk about that later. But what I want to focus on right now is calendar. Okay, because I want you guys to start making a schedule, and it's something that I use even without school. So I'm going to click on the calendar. And this is actually my calendar. These are all my little class assignments. And if you notice, I have office hours between 10 and 10:45 every day of the week. And I have office hours between 1 and 2:15 every day of the week. So what we're going to do is we are going to schedule one of my classes. Okay? So I actually have my very first period class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8A, is Algebra 1. Okay, it's my first period class. So what we're going to do, if you notice, my Algebra 1 is pink. It doesn't have to be pink. That's what we're going to do. You put in whatever class you have that period, and we're going to set it up. So I'm going to click here. We're going to add a title. I'm going to call it Algebra 1. And it already tells me it meets between 8 and 9. It's technically 8 to 8:55, but that's okay if it helps you to just chunk it out in hours. Find the time. I've already done that. You can add like a Google Meet. I don't really need to do that. I'm going to click this to pink because that's my... Oh, I don't really have a pink, so we're going to make it red. And Algebra 1. I'm not happy that they don't have a pink. That would be amazing. And click here where it says does not repeat because I have this class both Tuesdays and Thursdays. So instead of does not repeat, I'm going to customize it and click every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay? So we're going to repeat it every week. Ends never. You can set it to end after or on. We're going to set it to June. I like to put in 25th because we should be way out of school by then. So now I have 2 meetings set up, Tuesday and Thursday, every morning. And there we go. So if you click over to the next week, I have these meetings. That way, if you ever get stuck with your schedule, you go back in your calendar, and here is your stuff. And what's cool is that like 15 minutes out, you will, if you have the calendar app in your phone, like this, it'll tell me that I have that meeting coming up, and it will give you like a little ding to remind you to go to class. Okay? All right, guys, I will see you guys later.